Well, hello there. My name is Shannon, and I'm about to take a walk down the Possum Trail here in Burlington, Mississippi. Why don't you join me? So this area is known as Log Town. They're all falling from that tree. This algae or moss, it turns red, and when it's super red, it's really, really pretty. Purple lilies. Oh, look. Watching things fall like that, it's magical if you think about it. Look at that cypress tree over there. Because in a moment you're watching something fall slowly and it's light as a feather in the air, you know? It's magical. Slows down time for you in that moment if you want it to. Look how beautiful that is. Oh, just breathe. Everything's so green right now because everything's just now getting into bloom. So peaceful. Just taking a deep breath in with that nice breeze that's passing through. Oh, look, there's another one. That's from a dandelion, though. That cypress tree is so beautiful. There's a bumblebee. That cypress tree is really tall too. The grass is starting to grow. This tree fell from Hurricane Zeta. Oh wow, look at that angle. That looks cool. Wow, look at that. That is beautiful, huh? Breathe that in for a minute. There's the breeze. Oh, yes. And the sun's just a-shining. I hear a birdie up in that tree. Alrighty guys, I'll see y'all next time. Enjoy the rest of your day. Sending you much love and light.